Hello my dear students, class 5 English medium maths figure video number 7. Now today we will see about the types of angle. First type is right angle. If the angle is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. Now I will draw it. Right angle, 90-degree angle is here. So look at properly, okay, how to draw a angle. This is called the protractor. You can use protractor and scale and pencil, okay. Don't draw with the pen, okay. So first look properly. First I draw line here. Line should be come on your page line, okay. So draw the line first. Whatever measurement you want, you can draw it. Then after, take a protractor and this point, this point, put it here, okay. So you can see now what is we are drawing, we are making it right angle. So if the angle is exactly 90 degree, so you can see here where is the 90. Put the point, put the dot, take out the protractor and draw a line, join both the point. This is your right angle, okay, 90 degree, okay. So right angle, write it here, okay. Now second we will see acute angle. What is called the acute angle? If the angle is less than 90 degree, means if the angle is 60 degree, 70 degree, 75 degree, 35 degree, 25 degree, that is called the acute angle. So read the properly. If the angle is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So now I will draw it acute angle here. So first make it line here. Put the dot here, arrow here, and now next is take a protractor, put this point on here, okay. I am drawing 60 degree. Suppose I am drawing 60 degree, so put it properly. It should become in one line. And where is the 60 degree here? Don't look at this, okay, look it here. So this is the 60 degree. Now with the scale join these two, okay. Now this is the 60 degree and write it acute angle. Which is this angle? Acute angle. Suppose the angle is 75 degree. So how to draw the 75 degree? Same process. First make it line here, okay. It should be coming this line, dot. Now put protractor on. How to put? Now you know na. So 75. So 70 is here. 71, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 small arrow, small line, count it. This is called the 75. Now join this line and this line. Now put the arrow this is 75. It is called the acute angle. Okay. Now third one is obtuse angle. What is called the obtuse angle? If the angle is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Suppose the angle is 100, 95, that number is more than 90, so it is called the obtuse angle. Suppose the angle is 155. Okay, so how to draw the obtuse angle? First, draw the line here. Okay, now I'm drawing it here, 100. Okay, 100. So put the protector on that number, and where is the 100? 100 is here and 100 is here, but don't look at this 100, look this left hand side 100, you can see. So this is okay. Now join this and this point. This is called the obtuse angle. So you can see here obtuse angle. Now suppose I want to draw 155 degree. This is called the degree. So how to draw 155? First, draw the line here from this side. Okay, put the point here. Now now 155 means 150, then after 5 small line. Okay, 5 small line. So 150, where is the 150? 150 is here, 150 is here. If you use 150 this, so this is called the acute angle, and here ask about 150, that means obtuse angle. So use this 150, yeah, sorry, this is not a 150, it's a 155. So 150, 151, 152, 153, 154 and 155. Okay, now join both number. So this is 155 and obtuse angle, otherwise you can write more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree. Now last is straight angle. If the angle is exactly 180 degree, if you draw 180, you can got it straight line, you can make it straight line. So here 180 means it's a straight line. Okay, exactly 180 degree means straight line. It is called a straight angle. So today we learn right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Right angle means if the angle is exactly 90 degree, that is called the right angle. Acute angle, if the angle is less than 90 degree, means you can draw like this, close angle. It's in simple, angle is close, will be close, that is called the acute angle. And what is called the obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means if the angle is more than 90 degree, yeah, open angle, that is called the obtuse angle. And straight angle, very simple, if the angle is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle, means straight line here. Okay, now we will see this exercise practice time, which is on a page number 21. Okay, now here angles right angle. Angles means pictures are given here. Which is this a right angle, more than a right angle, yeah, less than a right angle? You have to check it. Here scissors is given, scissor is given, and here close angle means close. I told you close means it's a acute angle, so less than right angle. Okay, second name is less than right angle. Here a person is here, and you can see angle, this type of angle is given, so it is a right angle, so put the tick mark here. Now you can see kite, and the angle is here, so it is open. You can see here open, so more than right angle. Now this pucker is given, it is called in Gujarati sansi. So pucker, now now we will see this exercise which is in your textbook, page number 21, practice time. Here angles, pictures are given, which that is right angle, more than a right angle, yeah, less than a right angle. Means it's a obtuse angle, obtuse angle, acute. First picture is scissor, and here you can see this mark, angle mark is here. It is a close, so I told you close means it's a acute angle, yeah, less than right angle. Now here one man is standing, and he is showing his elbow, and if you can try it also at home. You got it, the right angle here, so it is a right angle. Okay, now here kite is given, and angle, ask about this angle, so this is a right angle also. Okay, now here pucker is given, and here mark, angle mark is here. You can see here angle mark. Which is this angle? It's a right angle, obtuse angle, yeah, acute angle. You can see properly, this is the open means it's a obtuse angle. Okay, now here signboard is, stop signboard is here. You can see angle, so this is also a open, so here put the tick mark. Okay.